Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hoopz on Roblox Mobile. First, familiarize yourself with the on-screen controls. Use the virtual joystick on the left to move your player around the court. On the right, you will find buttons for shooting, passing, and other actions. Practice moving and dribbling the ball to get a feel for the game's physics. Understanding these basic controls is your first step to becoming a Hoopz champion. To score points, mastering your shot is crucial. Tap and hold the shoot button to charge your shot power. A meter will appear. Release the button when the indicator is in the green zone for the best accuracy. This sweet spot ensures your ball has the highest chance of going through the hoop. Experiment with different distances and angles to perfect your shooting technique and become a consistent scorer. Teamwork makes the dream work in Hoopz. Utilize the pass button to distribute the ball to your teammates. Look for open players and lead them with your passes, allowing them to catch the ball in a good position to score. Setting screens can also create valuable space for your team. Effective passing and strategic team play are essential for breaking down defenses and securing victories. Defense is just as important as offense in Hoopz. Position yourself between your opponent and the basket to prevent them from scoring easily. Use the steal button strategically to try and take the ball away, but be careful not to foul. When an opponent shoots, jump to block their shot. Strong defensive play can turn the tide of any game and lead your team to victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.